I'm doing a quick video on my 2017 Chevy Volt LT. Yesterday, I was about 200 miles away from home. I stopped at a Shell gas station, I filled up my gas tank, and I started driving home. While I was driving home, about an hour into the trip, my engine light came on. It wasn't flashing, it was just solid, and there was no other indicators. I received a text message and email from the OnStar system saying that there was an issue with the emission system in my 2017 Chevy Volt that was detected. Please service the vehicle within 7 days. That's it. So when I got home, I hooked it up to an OBD2 reader, and the reader came back and told me there was an error code P2097. And this error code specifically is regarding a high limit bank 1 DTC service repair. And I'm not too sure what all that means, but it just says service immediately, and if there's any drivability issues, to basically not drive the vehicle. So, of course, I called the Chevy dealership and I brought it down today. So the dealer hooked it up to the reader, and basically what the EV specialist told me was that there was a special update that was issued in 2018 for this specific issue, and it was bound to occur. So the docket number issue for the P2097 code is number 18-NA332. If you want to read up on that specific error, you can look into that. All they needed to do was hook up their scanner. They reflashed the ECM, just basically programmed it, and the program code number was 11YN1127416660. That immediately cleared all the codes, and the tech told me that basically they've had no other problems since that. So if you are getting a P2097 code, don't think it could be your gas cap, or it could be your emission systems, because when you look it up online, it kind of gives you that entire possibility of what it could be. Just take it to the dealership. They're going to reflash the ECM, and that should fix it for you. Anyway, if you have any questions, send me an email. Thank you.